Easter for me, probably not for you. Happy past Easter! I hope you had a nice Easter. I hope you ate all the chocolate you wanted to eat. I had half an Easter egg for breakfast this morning and it was incredible. Today I've been tasked, about an hour and a half ago, to make a Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. But the thing is, we're making more of a Lotus Bisc-NOT cheesecake because we're using Aldi's own crunchy biscuit spread. Tastes incredible, tastes like Lotus Biscoff biscuit spread. And Home Bargain's 49p caramelised biscuits. It tastes exactly like Biscoff biscuits. And we're also using Tesco's cream cheese free from stuff. Seeing as you're already here, I might as well just start with cream cheese. Just before I turn the camera on, I dropped this on my toe. The pain was unreal. Also, I look like this today. Apparently I'm from the 60s. The reason being is I'm trying to create a distraction from the fact that my face has turned into World War III. So me and my spatula and my over-the-top makeup, which is not great, but you know, we're dealing with it, are going to entertain you for the day by making Lotus Biscoff Bisc-NOT cheesecake. Yay! My mum said to follow a recipe. I'm not going to. Reason being is that I can't be bothered. So I'm just going to use half of this. That should be enough, shouldn't it? Yeah, that'll be fine. And how much of this should I use? Yeah, that'll be alright. And I think we just cream them together. I left my area for the first time yesterday. Just to, you know, do some shopping in some shops that we haven't been to because the restrictions were lifted a bit on Monday. I did film a little bit because I was going to film a thing, but, you know, didn't work out quite right. If I've still got the footage, I'll pop it in here. So as soon as I'm leaving the house, thought I'd do a bit of a outfit of the day, makeup of the day, outfit of the day. We've got about 20 layers on. I've got this on, I've got then this on, I've got this on, I've got like 4 pairs of shorts on. We're good, we're Gucci. This is weird. I'm actually leaving the house. I'm sat in a car. I'm sat in an actual car that requires me to go somewhere. Like, I needed to get in a car to go somewhere. It's been a long journey. It's been a long journey. I'm actually leaving the house. That's it. That's the whole thing. I didn't do very well on the continuation of filming. She looks good! Now she is beautiful, done and dusted, we are going to be... Smells good. We are going to be melting the butter. But first, I bought my very first bottle of alcohol yesterday, with it being 18. Is it mine? No, because I don't drink. But I bought it for my mum for Easter, and I didn't get ID. I'm proud of myself, is to all to say the least. Hello! This is the second time you've been over at this side of the kitchen. Welcome! Outfit of the day, joggers and a shirt. I don't know how much butter to use, so I will just be spooning it into you. We still have to do this. It worked first time. Don't go out, don't go out, don't go out. That's just rude. Quick, 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 quick. Yes! Nailed it. Whilst I wait for you to melt, I'm making myself another cup of tea. Because I made myself a cup of tea this morning and I forgot to drink it, so now it's cold. Now I'm just going to get a load of these. Wait, we don't have any bags. Balls. I mean, so change of plan, we're using the bread bag. Genuinely quite impressed with myself. I think that should have taken longer than it did. I have a feeling I should have done more butter. Or not. So I'm going to try and construct these. I'll put a layer of you, and then a layer of you. Salted! I'm going to repeat that many times. See you in like 4 or 5 hours. Hello! So has it been like 2 days and I completely forgot to finish this video like 4 hours after, and then I completely forgot to do it yesterday as well? Maybe, but this is how they turned out. They're like, and it's been eaten a little bit and the other one's completely gone. But look, they turned out really well and I'm really proud of them and they taste incredible. So that's the end of this video. If you do make these, please do. They're really good and easy and quick to make, and they taste really good. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day, evening. Everything's down in the description box below. If you like me as a person for some crazy reason and are like, I want to follow her on other things, please do. I would be honoured. Have a lovely day. Stay safe, stay well.